Sanibonani ninjani? Ngethemba ukuthi niyaphila. Igama nguThandeka Okabekwa ovela kwiKabekwa Mombo Publications. Ngethemba-ke nonke niyaphila. I hope you are all well. Ngethemba ukuthi nonke seniqalile niyazilungiselela ukuhlolwa kwenu kwamaphakathi nonyaka. I hope you have all started with your preparations for your mid-year exams. Igama-ke nguthandeka njengoba bese ngishilo ovela kwiKabekwa Mombo Publications. Namhlanje-ke sizokwenza part 1 wesahluko sesine. So we'll be working on part 1, chapter 4, where we will be focusing on izigameko kanjalo kanye nabalingiswa. Remember, izigameko are the incidents and abalingiswa are the characters. So namba kabalingiswa-ke sizobabheka kulo msebenzi wanamuhla. Sizobheka uBonga Ngwane, bese siphinde sibheka uKhethiwe, uVela kanjalo noMahlasi. Bathi-ke abantu-ke abasubscribe ngendlela ekufanele ngabe basubscribe ngayo. Guys, come on now. You can do better than this. You can do a lot better than this. You know, creating content takes time. And, you know, all we are asking for is just for you to subscribe on our channel. Please like and subscribe so that we can be motivated to do more of, you know, these resources. And to those of you who would like to get themselves a copy of our analysis in a book called Izinsiza Zemibhalo, you may visit our website, which is www.kabekwamombo.co.za. And remember to subscribe, and remember to even, you know, just tell your friends. And this is our handle here, right? Nyobanibona Thandeka Okabekwa, right? Thandeka _Okabekwa. Ngaphandle-ke kokuchitha isikhathi, yibaphi-ke abalingiswa esibathola esahlukweni sesine? Abalingiswa esibathola esahlukweni 4. Siqala nguBonga Ngwane. The author introduces us to uBonga Ngwane, who is umkhwenyana noma umyeni kaKhethiwe. uKhethiwe is also addressed as uKhethi for short. And there is also udweshu olwenzekayo kulesi sahluko. There's a conflict that is happening, and it's a conflict that has to do with abantwana noma izingane zabo, uMbali kanjalo noThabo. Siphinde sithole uVela. uVela-ke sesimthole kuona zonke izahluko up to chapter 4. Sithole uMahlase, sithole uSikhulu, uSizwe, bese sithola uSenzo. Kuphinde kuvele uBhiza. Kukhona insizwa yeNdiya, an Indian guy, and then kukhona iSangoma, a traditional healer, and then there is intombazanyana ebizwa ngeJongosi, ogama layo kunguNomusa. So these are all the characters, but as you can see, there's so many of them, and there is no way we can cover all of them in just one presentation. That is why I decided to just divide chapter 4 into part 1 and part 2. Sesike sezwa-ke ezahlukene ezidlulile ngomlingiswa ongungane, meaning we have heard in the past chapters about this character by the name of Ungwane. And in this chapter, umbhali-ke usethulela-ke igama lakhe. So Ngwane's name is Ubonga. His first name is Ubonga. Bonga means be grateful. Right. Sizobheka-ke ukuvezwa kwalo mlingiswa, how Ubonga is portrayed. And then there is an instruction or a question that requires all of that information. Chaza ukuvezwa komlingiswa onguBonga Ngwane. Explain. Chaza means explain ukuvezwa komlingiswa, how the character by the name of Bonga Ngwane is portrayed. Right, so I've got a couple of points, but I'm sure you've discussed a lot in your classes. All right, so you're welcome to add to this. This is not concrete. You can also play around, but also in your preparation, you can just have just a couple of points that you may want to use in an exam. Should you be given or should you come across a similar kind of a question where you are expected to explain how uBongangwane is portrayed. Ungumyeni, umyeni is the husband, or the mqondofana for the myeni is umkhwenyana. He is a mkhwenyana, he is a husband to uKhethiwe, umyeni kaKhethiwe. Ungubaba kaMbali noThabo. He is the father to Umbali and Utabo. Remember, Umbali is an 8-year-old little girl, and Utabo is her brother. UnguSibali, leliya gama elithi uSibali libalulekile. uSibali means a brother-in-law to uVela. Usebenza enkantolo yamacala njengomabhalane. So he works at the court of law. Enkantolo yamacala is the court of law, and he works there as the court secretary. Ungumabhalane. Right. Akamthandisisi kahle uVela. He is not very fond of Uvela, and I guess we all know, for obvious reasons. Uyameseka uKhethiwe umngaki. So he also supports his wife uKhethiwe for the mere fact that Uvela lives with them. That is a way in which he supports his wife. But it's not very clear ukuthi this supporting how he supports uKhethiwe, whether he does it willingly, because kulesi sahluko this is where umbhali esivezela khona uKhethiwe njengomuntu oyibhokole, someone who's a bully, all right? So we don't know whether he really supports her or he is forced to support her because uKhethiwe is a bully, all right? So I'm not gonna ruin izinto, ngizoqhubeka nje ngiye phambili. Siqhubekela phambili nendaba sibheka indikimba yokusha komuzi, the theme of the burning of the house. Okay, Ogusha Gomuzi, as you can see, the illustration that briefly summarizes what really happened at the Ngwanes, right? Siyabona lapha kunabantu. So these are the members of the community. You can add to your vocabulary list. The members of the community are amalunga omphakathi. And we can see ukuthi azama ukubhula umlilo. Zama means to try. Ukubhula umlilo, it means to put off the fire, or to put down the fire, or isingisi esicishe sibe njalo, right? And then they are using different types of izinto just to put out the fire. Abanye, they are carrying water, kukhona abaphethe amahlamvu, some are even, just throwing sand to where the flames are. And there is imoto yezicishamlilo. Izicishamlilo is the firefighters or the fire truck that you see over there. I guess bheke-ke the possible questions in line with what is happening kule ndikimba yokusha komuzi. Wezwa kanjani uBonga ukuthi umuzi wakhe uyasha? How did uBonga find out that his house was actually on fire? So impendulo-ke, we all know the answer, right? Wafonelwa ngomunye womakhelwane. So one of his neighbors called him, wamfonela. Ngobani-ke ababesiza ukucisha umlilo emzini kaBonga? Bhala izinto ezintathu ababezisebenzisa ukubhula umlilo. So this question, I decided to use the two synonyms omqondofana from the first part of the question, where I said ngobani abasebenzi ababesiza ukucisha umlilo. So amagama athi ukucisha umlilo, they mean exactly the same thing as ukubhula umlilo. Ukucisha umlilo, it means to put off the fire, if that is proper English. So ningangijudge-ke ngesingisi sami, but anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Ucisha umlilo, to put out the fire, emzini kaBonga. So in Bonga's home. Who were these people, right? And two, balak izinto ezintathu, meaning write three things ababezisebenzisa that they used to put out the fire, right? To help put out the fire. Iziphi izinto ezintathu? What are those three things? So impendulo-ke to the first part of the question is amalunga omphakathi. Amalunga omphakathi are the community members, because umphakathi is the community. Babesebenzisa umhlabathi. So these are the things that they used. They used umhlabathi. Umhlabathi, you already know what umhlabathi is. You are even doing a poem called umhlabathi, right? So the sand or the soil. And they were also using amahlamvu. Amahlamvu are the leaves. Can you see this guy is carrying like the tree branches with leaves on it. And they also used amanzi. Uma siqhubeka-ke nendikimba yokusha komuzi, as we continue with the theme of the house burning, siyabona our illustration, kunezingane noma kunabantwana ababili laphaya, okumbali noThabo, and bayakhala, siyababona bayakhala, and there's a bed behind them, which shows us ukuthi babesekamelweni, so that's where they were crying, right? Okay, so umbuzo ukuthi-ke wenzani uBonga ukukhombisa ukuthi wayezithanda kakhulu izingane zakhe. So from the story we are told that uBonga really loved his children and wayezithanda kakhulu. So what is it that he did when he got to the scene and find that people were actually already helping to just put out the fire, but he could not see his children? He started asking around, waqala wabuza ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe ziphi, and then no one seems to know, where the children were, because no one had seen them. Right, so this is what he did. Wadela impilo yakhe. So amagama athi wadela impilo yakhe, it means he risked his life, and then wakahlela isicaba. As you can see the illustration, and he kicked the door sekamelo lezingane zakhe, so the door to his children's bedroom, and then was keeper izingane, and he came out with the children. Obviously he had inhaled his smoke, and because he just went in while the flames were burning, so they were raging, right? So but he just braved all of that up because of the love that he had, ngenxa yothando analo ngezingane zakhe, right? So masimchaza-ke futhi sesingambiza njengokuthi ungubaba onothando, uveze njengobaba onothando, ongenza noma yini, would do anything ukuphephisa. Ukuphephisa means to save izingane zakhe noma abantwana bakhe. Umbuzo olandelayo-ke uthi wazithola kuphi futhi zazi kusiphi isimo izingane zakhe, meaning where did he find the children and in which state were they in, right? Zazi kusiphi isimo. Wazithola zimile, so ekamelweni lazo, so he found them just standing still in their room. And remember ukuthi they had cried, they have cried so loud, okay, to such that even their voices, amazwi abo ayeseshile, their voices were even hoarse. All right, so zombili-ke zazesaba, they were scared because bayawazi umlilo, they knew ukuthi umlilo uyingozi, right? And they could see, especially this one, umbali, ukuthi-ke they were in trouble, then they could die, so they were afraid. Zazesaba futhi zazikhala. They were afraid and they were also crying, as you can see, the two of them. Remember ukuthi after the fire started, they ran away. Umbali wabamba umfowabo ngesandla, held her brother by hand, and off they went into their room and they hide underneath the bed. All right. So when the fire had, spread, so they could no longer hide under the bed because they slept. Remember, and when Ubiza came, um, Ubiza thought there was no one in the house. Right. I hope kuyakhumbuleka kusazwakala. Uma siqhubeka nendikimba yokusha komuzi as we continue with the theme of the house burning, sithola eminye imibuzo-ke elandelayo. So we have more questions on this theme. Yini eyasiza ekubuleni umlilo ngokushesha? What is it that assisted in putting out the fire quickly, right? So once Ungwanege was rescued, or he actually, rescued the kids first, uzokumbula, and then umphakathi helped him by dragging him. Wamhudula, hudula is to drag, and they put him together with the kids in a central area where he was able to get some fresh air, and they help, with him with taking out his shoes, bamkhumule icathulo, bamqaqa nothai, and they undid his tie as well. And they just left him to lie down so he could breathe. And then he had lost consciousness by then, you will remember. Okay, so but then umlilo, they were struggling to put out the fire, and the question is, yini eyasiza ekubuleni umlilo ngokushesha? What is it that assisted in putting out the fire quickly ngokushesha? So ukufika kwemoto yezicishamlilo, so the arrival of the fire truck is what assisted, is what helped the community as well as Ungwane. Remember ukuthi it was mostly the kitchen, kwakuyikhishi elalishe kakhulu. So the other parts of the house were still not as affected as the kitchen. And then after they had put out the fire, sebewucishile-ke umlilo, abezicishamlilo, iy'ngane, they were taken to a health institution, right? So that zizoyoxilongwa. Igama xilonga means to examine, ukuhlolwa. Right, zaxilongwa-ke kumuphi umtholampilo izingane zikaNgwane? Which clinic? Umtholampilo is the clinic la sithola khona impilo, where you find health. That is the clinic, izingane zikaNgwane. So this is the name of the clinic where they were taken to, all right, to be examined. Kubonakala ukuthi abahogelanga yini intuthu, novalo, and the whole trauma yakhona, right? So umbuzo olandela uthi-ke wathola ziphi izindaba uNgwane uma efika emtholampilo? So when they got to the clinic, obviously abantu bakule ndawo bayazana, right? So we picked that up kwisizinda ukuthi these people, they know each other, right? So when uNgwane got to the clinic, uma efika emtholampilo, wathola ukuthi uvela ubekuwo lo mtholampilo ezokolwasha amanxeba okulunywa yinja. So he discovered, or he was told, that Uvela was also at the same clinic ezokwelwashwa amanxeba okulunywa yinja, to be assisted with the wounds of being bitten by a dog. And I guess uNgwane-ke wagcina eseyazi yonke indaba ukuthi what exactly happened during the course of the day. And then after he heard all of that, ukuthi Uvela actually left izingane zakhe alone, wazishiya zodwa iy'ngane zakhe. he was extremely angry, so he did not take that well, and he started blaming Uvela ukuthi the reason why iy'ngane zakhe zicishe zasha noma zicishe zafa emlilweni, the fire started, is because they were left unattended. Obviously-ke ukukhula kwendaba-ke kwandisa izindikimba, kusithulela iy'ndikimba eziningi ezahlukene. And the new theme that we are going to be unpacking through the questions, obviously, is indikimba yentukuthelo. Konje yini intukuthelo? Intukuthelo-ke is the anger, right? Okay. So, as you can see, nankuya umtholampilo. Konje, what is umtholampilo? Yes, umtholampilo is the clinic. UBonga-ke mesezwile-ke after uNgwane heard, or after uBonga heard ukuthi Uvela, also came by earlier and was assisted with usizo lwamanxeba lawa abekade nawo. UBonga-ke wazizwa kanjani uma ethola ukuthi Uvela wayezokwelashwa emtholampilo? How did Bonga feel when he found out that Uvela also went to the clinic or to seek health assistance in the clinic? Kungani-ke futhi wayezizwa ngalolo hlobo, and why did he feel that way? Right, so impendulo-ke ithi-ke wayethukuthele, which is igama intukuthelo. Wayethukuthele kakhulu, meaning he was extremely angry ngoba wabona ukuthi Uvela wayezishiye zodwa izingane zakhe njengoba kugcine kusho umuzi, because he realized that Uvela had left his children home alone or unattended, hence the house ended up getting burnt or being burnt. Right, so-ke umbuzo olandelayo-ke uthi bazisiza ngani izingane zikaNgwane emtholampilo? How did they assist Ngwane's children clinic emtholampilo? So abahlengikazi, konje what are abahlengikazi? Yes, abahlengikazi are the nurses. Bazixilonga. Xilonga means to ukuhlola, bazihlola. They assist them or they examined them. Bazinika amaphilisi base bazidedela. Then they give them the medication, amaphilisi or the pills, and they released them. So as you can see, nazi izingane, they look better and they have medication ezandleni zabo. So kuningi okwakwenzeka-ke emzini Ngwane. Right, khumbula-ke ukuthi omakhelwane bafonela uNgwane kuphela. You remember that the neighbors only called uNgwane and not uKhethiwe. So now we are actually introduced to uDweshu, the conflict between phakathi kukaBonga noKhethi, between uBonga noKhethi. As you can see the illustration laphayana ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle laphayana, things aren't going well. The first question, just to help us unpack uDweshu, it says chaza isisusa soDweshu phakathi kukaBonga noKhethi. Chaza is to explain. Isisusa soDweshu is the cause of conflict. You must remember that. Isisusa soDweshu is the cause of conflict between uBonga and uKhethi. Right. So this is the cause of conflict between the two of them. uBonga wayesola, suspected, or maybe blamed Uvela ngokusha komuzi wabo. So he blamed Uvela for their house being burnt down, and also uBonga-ke was just not happy, wayengajabulile neze. Umbuzo wesibili ukuthi uKhethi-ke wayemvuna Uvela. That is a statement, that is a known statement that uKhethi kind of like ukuvuna umuntu is to spoil somebody, is to not see mistakes from the things that the person does, or you choose to turn a blind eye when somebody does wrong. So when I get as the person who chooses to turn a blind eye and pretend not to see the wrong that the person is doing, sithi uyavuna ukumvuna, right? Not ukuvuna to harvest, but ukuvuna when you are spoiling someone. All right. Sekela-ke lesi statement. So we need to support the statement that uKethi really spoiled uVela. Right. So we can say uKethi-ke akavumanga uma uNgwane ethi uVela wayeyisizathu sokusha komuzi wathi yindzwabethi. uKethi, you remember ukuthi-ke she is the one who came home a little later, and then when she arrived, then her husband been back from the clinic with the kids. And also that the husband, when he spoke to her, abahlala ngaphansi, they did not sit down and talk about what happened. So the husband started throwing accusations to uKethi. Waqala-ke wasola uKethi because uVela-ke was Kethi's brother. Beyibona leyo nto. So uthi, okay, we are where we are because of your brother. And your brother is the reason why isizathu sokusha komuzi, that our house was burnt down. Wathi yindzwabethi. But instead of supporting her husband, uKethi was like, there's no way you can just blame my brother on a hearsay, indzwabethi, which is a hearsay. And I'm sure you have discussed this point even also in your classes. Umbuzo olandelayo-ke chaza-ke udweshu phakathi kukaKethi noBonga. Now explain the actual conflict, all right, between uKethi noBonga. uKhethiwe-ke wakhombisa ubulihlaza when what's this guy uNgwane, uBonga, or her husband confronted her about uVela. uKhethiwe was rude. Ubuluhlaza is to be rude noma ukwedelela. Uma uBonga esola uVela ngokusha komuzi, when uBonga blamed uVela for the house burning. uBonga-ke uyamesabisa uthi uzomshaya ngempama. Then her husband threatened her, and he is saying, he will beat, he will slap her. All right. Ngoba uyamdelela. Uzokhumbula ukuthi umbiza nangegama when they are talking. And in the African culture, or maybe in the Zulu culture, women don't usually address their spouses by their first name, because that is disrespectful. But uKhethiwe decided ukuthi uzombiza ngegama because she was angry. Sithola-ke indikimba yokungahloniphani, right? So disrespect between these two, between the couple uBonga kanye noKethi Ngwane. And then can you see ukuthi uBonga even threatened uKethi and uttered the words athi ngizokusakaza ngempama, meaning I will slap you. So umbuzo-ke uthi chaza indikimba yokungahloniphani emndenini wakwaNgwane. Explain the theme of disrespect in the Ngwane family. Right. Ukusha komuzi kaNgwane kudala ingxabano emndenini wakwaNgwane, which means the burning of the house caused a conflict, caused a quarrel in the Ngwane family. uKhethiwe uyinkosikazi enenkani. uKhethiwe is a very stubborn woman. Uyambona ukuthi ufana kanjani uKhethiwe nobaba wakhe uMahlase. So yena noMahlase bayafana nje. Akamhloniphi umyeni wakhe. She doesn't respect her husband. Umbiza ngegama. She addresses him by name. Ngiyazi ukuthi-ke you would wonder ukuthi, okay, what is wrong with that, because igama lakhe. So I have already explained ukuthi in the Zulu culture, calling your husband or addressing your husband by their first name, especially if you are having an argument, it's actually a sign of disrespect. Okay, usuke ukhombisa ungamhloniphi. But if you're calling each other nje by first name, then there's no problem. All right, but you've got to be careful that you don't do it in front of the elders. So, and then umbiza ngegama uma esola uvela when he blames, when he blamed uvela. Ukuvuna kwakhe uvela kumenza ahluleke ukuhlonipha umyeni wakhe. So because he takes, because of taking her brother's side, ukumvuna, kumenza ahluleke. It just made Ukhethi, to fail to respect her husband. Ukhethi kuyibhokolo. She is a bully. Ugcina eshaya ungwane. So in this chapter, we also hear about Ukhethi beating her husband up. Right, sizobona nje futhi ezindaba iqhubeka. So uvela-ke simthole ephindela kwaNgwane ngemuva kokushaya komuzi. So after the burning of the house, then uvela-ke is going back to the Ngwanes. Remember ukuthi at the clinic, he was picked up by uSkhulu ehamba noBhiza. So they took him, and I think they went to kwaSkhulu, and then now it's late. Uvela is going back to, or is returning to his sister's house. Ake sibheke-ke imibuzo ehambisanayo. Let us look at the questions in line with just this isigameko, this incident. Ubani owaletha uvela emzini kaNgwane? Futhi emletha ngani? Who brought uvela to the Ngwanes, to the Ngwane household? And what is it? Which means of transportation did that person use? So the person who drove uvela to the Ngwanes was uBhiza. Futhi-ke wamletha-ke ngemoto kaSkhulu. All right. Ngemoto kaSkhulu, even though it's not listed, it's not written there. Wamletha ngemoto kaSkhulu with one of Skhulu's cars. Umbuzo olandelayo uthi kungani uvela engabonanga ukuthi umuzi wawushile? So when uvela got to the Ngwanes, he did not notice that the house had burned down, or at least maybe the kitchen side of the house had been burned. And the reason for that, ingoba wafika sekuhwalala. Amagama athi sekuhwalala, it means when it was starting to get dark. Hwalala kusho ukuthi sekuqala ukuba mnyama emzini kaKhethi, at Khethi's house. Wayekusiphika isimo uvela-ke ngesikhathi efika emzini kadadewabo. So in which state was he at or in when he arrived at his sister's house? Wayebhandisha imilenze yombili, as you can see the illustration. So he had both his legs fully bandaged, futhi eqhugela. Uqhugela, it's limping, right? Ngezinduku, and he was on crutches. Izinto zimbi kakhulu-ke emzini wakwaNgwane. Siyaqhubeka nokuthola indikimba-ke yodlame. Udlame is violence. Ukulwa also is fighting, which is a form of violence. Ake sibheke-ke imibuzo yethu. Umbuzo wokuqala, uNgwane wambingelela kanjani usibali wakhe uma efika emzini wakhe? How did uNgwane welcome his brother-in-law when he arrived at his house? Remember, there's already a commotion in this household. And then it is about Uvela Vele. So Uvela is the reason for the commotion that they were having inside the house. Ukhethiwe benongwane. So when Uvela arrived, wambiza ngoSathane. So he called him evil. Wathi akahambe emzini wakhe angazamlimaze, and he ordered him to just leave his house before he could even start hurting him. right. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uVela-ke was just so lost and so confused because he hadn't been at home the whole day, and he was just shocked as to why his Sibali, his brother-in-law, was that angry. Question number 2, ulaka lukaNgwane lwamenza wadideka uVela, which is the truth, which is what we know ukuthi siyayazi leyo nto ukuthi ulaka is the anger. Ngwane's anger just made Uvela so confused. So Uvela was just so confused because he didn't know what was going on. Wayecabanga ukuthi ngani uSibali wakhe emxoshe emzini wakhe. So why he thought, what was the reason? He thought what was the actual reason why his brother-in-law Sibali wakhe was just kicking him out of his house. So what was the actual reason? Right. So the reason, according to Vela, wayecabanga ukuthi ufuna ukumshaya, he thought he wanted to beat him up ngoba waqaphela ukuthi i-hi-fi ne-DVD kwakungekho, because he noticed while they were arguing that the DVD and the hi-fi had gone missing. Wayecabanga ukuthi ubona sengathi untshontshile. So he thought maybe he was accusing him of stealing these two things, a hi-fi and a DVD, not realizing, not knowing that ngaleso sikhathi, at that particular point in time, is when uNgwane and uKhethiwe notice that these things had gone missing. Then kumbuzo landelayo, yiziphi izinto ezimbili uVela athi akazenzanga? What were the two things that uVela denied, having, done those things? Wathi-ke akantshontshanga. So that was the first thing that he said, that he did not steal anything, and also he did not burn the house, because uNgwane was accusing him of stealing and also of burning his house. So Vela then denied both of those things. Subscribe babo. Asibheke kudweshu-ke kanjalo nendikimba yodlame ngoba things are really happening at the Ngwanes. Umbuzo wokuqala, kuKhethi-ke wenze njani uma uNgwane ethi uzoshaya uVela? So what did Khethiwe do when she heard that her husband was going to beat uVela up, right? Wathi-ke ngeke kwenzeke lokho. So meaning she told her husband that it was not going to happen over her dead body. And then she said uNgwane kuzofanele aqala ashaye yena ngoba ufuna ukumshayela into engekho umfowabo. So she said she will uNgwane will have to beat her first, aqala amshaye, in order to get through to her brother, because he wanted to punish him for something that he did not do. Umbuzo-ke wesibili uthi kungani uNgwane agcina eshaya uKhethi ngempama wayowela phansi. So uNgwane-ke ended up beating his wife uKhethi ngempama, actually slapping his wife ngempama. Impama is the slap, right? And then she landed on the floor, right? So the reason why uNgwane did that, it was ngoba wavele wangena phakathi kukaNgwane noVela. So as uNgwane was still trying to get answers from uVela, uKhethi just got in between the two of them and just told her husband to beat her instead of her brother. And then uNgwane was angry, wagcina esemshaya ngempama uKhethi. Wenze njani-ke uKhethi uma evuka phansi? So when uKhethi got up from the ground, what is it that she did uma evuka phansi? wathatha iqhume lalesicathulo washaya ngalo uNgwane ekhanda. So she took one of her stilettos or high heel shoes, and she used it to beat her husband on the head ekhanda. Uyabona ukuthi uyisiqhwaga. Isiqhwaga is a bully. Katie is a bully. Why would you beat your husband up? Yes, I understand ukuthi bayalwa bobabili. So, but now uKhethiwe seems not to be the type that backs down without a fight. So now ke uya-retaliate njengoba sibona. Maliqhubeka-ke udweshu-ke udweshu nendikimba yodlame. Remember ukuthi udweshu elikhona la udweshu lwangaphandle, because yonke lento, the physical fighting, the exchange of harsh words, all of that is udweshu lwangaphandle. Ake sibuke-ke umbuzo olandelayo. So imibuzo yokugcina le, wasizwa ngubani uNgwane ngesikhathi uKhethiwe emshaya? So, and then someone came to Ngwane's rescue, to Bonga's rescue, when he was beaten up by his wife. Who is that person that rescued uBonga Ngwane? We're told ukuthi wasizwa-ke ukufika kaMahlase. So it just happened that uMahlase also, came to look for Uvela at Kethiwe's house. And then uma ngabe ethi uyavula isicabha uVela ethi uyabaleka, and then there was a little bit of retention kwisicabha on the door, and then when they tried to open the door forcefully, they realized that there was someone on the other side who was holding the door, and that one, the door handler, and that one was uMahlase. Umbuzo wesibili-ke, wamsiza kanjani uNgwane uMahlase? How did uMahlase rescue uNgwane from uKhethiwe? So we are told ukuthi uMahlase-ke washaya uKhethiwe waze wayeka ukushaya umyeni wakhe. uMahlase, wherever he went, he carries imvubu yakhe. So he started beating uKhethiwe up until she let go of her husband. All right. And then umbuzo number 3, yisho ukuthi uNgwane-ke noMahlase bamshaya ngani uVela? So noNgwane-ke akazange azibeke phansi. He beat uVela up, wamshaya ngenqindi uVela, kanti uMahlase yena wamtalapha ngemvubu. And uMahlase did not care ukuthi uVela had bandages all over, on both his legs, and also was on crutches and all of that. He just didn't care, but instead wazizwa ethola ukweneliseka. So he felt satisfied that he had beaten up ihlongandlebe. Ihlongandlebe-ke umuntu ongalaleli, umuntu ofana naye-ke uVela. So you can just imagine ukuthi kwenzekani-ke emva kwalokho after they beat uVela up. One, okubalulekile ukuthi vele uVele no longer has a place to stay la. So now the next question ukuthi, where will he go to? All right. Siyabonga kakhulu-ke, sithemba ukuthi kuzwakele umsebenzi wethu. Ningaqhubeka nokubuzana imibuzo, but I think this is giving you umhlahlandlela. Ningakhohlwa-ke to subscribe. Ngiyabonga-ke, igama nguThandeka Okabekwa ovela kwiKabekwa Mombo publication. Please subscribe and like umsebenzi wethu so that we can be motivated. Nisale kahle.